On the 5th of June 2016 at about 2 a.m., the serenity of the peaceful town of Anthony Village, precisely in Ilupeju area of Lagos, was shattered by a brutal robbery. The victim was Sam Amuka, the publisher of the Vanguard newspapers. A four-man gang of robbers had invaded his home, making away with money and other valuable items. The masterminds of the attack were security men attached to his house. Barely a month after the robbery, detectives attached to the Lagos State Police Command arrested 3 Chadians in connection with the crime. The suspects were identified as Atim Abubakar, Mohammed Musa, and Abdulrasaq Hassan. How was the plot hatched and why? The 3 suspects, in their confessional statement to crime fighters, narrates the story.
Tell us your own part in this crime.
I died at the work Saturday. Say one security man for Baba house. Now I bring work for him brother Gombo. Say Baba get money, come collect the money. We share them. We no come. The day won't come. Saturday we come. We come now, we enter direct. The gate safe never they lock. Security never lock the gate. Get one security by the right. Income look us like this. No serious income closing gate. We enter, we tie the security people two. Not tie them too much safe. Small, we tie them, leave them. Go inside. We meet Baba. We tell Baba say we 3 of us enter. That Gombo there outside. Me, Mama, Musa, we enter inside. See Baba. Say Baba, no say we no come now, no one kill you. No say one kill you, I won't beat you. No one collect money. And people tell us say you get money, you want to give us money. Baba in one drag like this, get something like a stone I be for inside the house by the right. Baba fall for here. Later something win for your hand, blood don't drop from your hand. Later Mohammed come carry this something like a one beat him. This one in beat him one for him back. I said, no, living down, old man, no better. He doesn't come out.
This case, anything I will tell about the case is very, very shame for me. One person know me, and he see me for where I did, and this is a big crime for me. This is number one. Because this Gambo, what I call him Gambo is one of our brother Hillo. Why I know him? About 2010. Gambo and now call me, say one of his brother. Tell me brother. He tell me one guy. He say there is one house, you can get money inside. You want to go and rob and make it and find, system, yeah. Different thing. And now look, listen. Because I'm not sure, say, I don't tell, and the leg was not scattered, I don't know, even the guy or something like this. Person like Umaru, I know him, they stay with my brother, and working together for bank. Even my brother is around. He's working for bank, even now he's working for my brother, so I know them for long, and most I know him since 2005. He's in Ago, he's security man in Ago. In Ago with an uncle. Now there I know him. After I have a case, then take me to prison. You go visit, so you have visit me too. You give me trouser, you give me shirt. So when I come out, I know him. But sometimes people, those guys when they sit down, they will gist about their this thing. And now look, this thing about 2 weeks, 3 weeks, Gambo tell me, and I don't look. And I'll call him. Maybe there is something like that. Maybe I will get interested if I no feed this thing. Okay, and now send. So okay, I send the Gambo number. I mean, his own number to Gambo. The two things, this place, I have confused. I don't know whether I send Musa number to Gambo. add a Gambo number to Musa to discuss about this, if they can still do this kind of thing. So Umar too, I call him, Umar I call him this thing. So Umar and Musa, maybe they know themselves. So from there, I don't think that they don't conclude their own and everything. One reach the time to go. So now, when there is time to go, I'm the one. If the case come, I'm the one. When Gambo call me, I'm the one. Why I call other. But when they meet together, I know them. But want to go, the rich night, call me around 12. I pick them to drop them to the place, to the street. I now go back. After they do everything, they could still call me. I'll come and pick them. So there is nothing I can say here. This is the crime why I commit.
I just get one certain time which day that I forgot maybe on the 4 Abi on the 5. I just did my house because I didn't do this work for my life where they come call me. Okay. They come call me for food. As they come call me, then say you get one work why one boy bring. And I don't know the actually person safe. They mentioned they say na Gambo. I said I don't know the Gambo. They say okay. Till when I come there, make I do what? If I see I'm in go show us where the work there. I say okay. Now from there now, as I come, enter from Sango, I come there. As I come there, we come jam. That's on Saturday. From there now they carry us, then go drop us there. As they drop us, we enter inside. As we enter, we can see 2 security. And the man is saying one security. As we enter, we can see 2. One is sleep outside, one day inside the security room. As we enter, we come meet them. Now from there now, we carry something like a cotton and cover cloth. We just tie them, and the person that Gambo, now you stand with them there. From there now we go. As we go meet Oga. Now from there we can ask the money. As we enter now, direct me I just go for the because in get some cupboard or group there. As I enter there, I enter by myself there, and I leave those 2 boys for the where Oga sleep for the bed. As I enter for the cupboard there, by myself I just do it there. I see 100,000. The 100,000 I don't say, I just put them for inside my pocket. From there now, when I come, then they search. I ask them so whether they say anything. They say well, because them say they don't see some money, some small money shop. From there now, as we come finish, now we come out. From there now, we just walk and go. Since where I never do work with anybody. I only get one certain time. I have to identify my Okada. I have to identify my Okada. You get one shop where I just go there. As I go break it, now I can see some cloth inside. As I can see the cloth, from there now I can carry like 3 or 4 jeans from there. As I can carry and come out there now, I just go keep them. I do when that's on the I can't remember the day again. From then I can keep them for the house. I take one inside, shirt and the jeans. I come wear. From there now I keep the one inside my house. Now they why they come arrest me and then say inside there, and I tell them.
Items recovered from the suspects include a Mitsubishi saloon car, 1 sledgehammer and 1 iron cutter used to carry out the operation. What exactly is the volume of loot?
See, the money is equal. It's 30,000. The boy, why they say, him bring the job, because I cannot know the boy. And others, I'm not sure they say I'm not only the Gambo where you know about the boy. Who this? I'm the one that can 20,000. Give Gambo to give to the boy. I should not him call you and give you that job, and the job when he say there is no money there, and I'll give him 20. Others, all of them they are here, 30,000. The euro is 20. That 20, because of I did do brood of change. I know the rate of the money. By that time, the rate of for 400 naira, that's 20,000. How much? 20 pieces.
Okay.
8,000. Con join 22,000. Yeah? 22 plus 8. That's what I collect the money.
I say the one who I come out with my hand gong. Na 100,000 I come out from the box.
This robbery when I go for a bank, how much they give you?
They give me 850. Now use and buy the machine. Now 2 machine where they carry go 1 and this one does 2.
Me, then give me that share, then give us. You see money at Baba house, 200,000 naira. Me, I don't see anyone. Pounds and dollars, I don't see anyone. They hide anything for me. I only see naira. They give me 30,000. All of us, we did that place. Everybody tight.
Although one member of the gang is still at large, the Lagos Police Command has promised that he will be apprehended.